Where is he? Where is he? Don't worry about the bike. Help out the dude's on the ground. Almost crashed 3 times. Okay, rain. What are some of the hazards with rain? Low visibility, cold, hypothermia. Watch out for this vehicle. They're going to switch lanes because that lane is slower. Look forward, look forward, look forward. We're getting boxed in right here. Good job. We got a good space cushion now. We're doing good. Maintain. There we go. Moved out of that area. Good. Watch out. Same pattern of that lane is blocked up. We got to move over to a faster lane. Same thing here. That was another pattern. Traffic lights were not working, so we use the signs according to which I have advantage. Okay. Just because you can doesn't mean you should go. We should have been planning our ride a little bit better. Here we go. We're going really fast, super fast. We're gonna get pissed off at that driver merging onto us in that lane. Is this another non-issue, Motostars? Yes, it is. We're moving on. Saying 420. Somebody crashed. I think we've seen this one before. This person's gonna go a little bit wide. I'm sorry, low side and hit the edge. And he witnessed it, so we're gonna go ahead and rescue another rider in this case. Make sure we have our trauma kit, our rescue kit. Make sure we ensure our own safety. Remain calm. Let's just go ahead and talk about it real quick. Where is he? Where is he? Don't worry about the bike. Help out the dude's on the ground. Screw the bike.
Get it out of the road.
It's like, let's get it out of the road, but our buddy's over there on the ground, probably bleeding out. Guys, rescue the rider. Rescue the rider.
Go.
Who cares about the bike? Who cares? If the driver's pissed off because the driver can't get around the bike, the driver will move it. See, look at him right there. Check him first.
Maybe.
Okay, he's fine.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. There's some serious.
If you got a broken leg, we should call 911.
Yeah, no, definitely. No. Just trust me.
Call 911.
Definitely worth it.
Anything broke, you think? No?
If you break a leg, you're going to want to call 911.
Full tires, bro.
Hey, he's got it. Hey,
No.
let's see if it's just full of Band-Aids, because mine isn't.
You want water or something?
That thing looks like it's full of Band-Aids. But I'm glad he does have a kit.
Oh,
I'm glad he does have a kit.
Fine.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
See the damage on that
Fine.
boot?
If it was broken, it will be hanging.
Well, not even that. I mean, he might have a drill and he might have bruising or fracture.
Yeah.
We need to do an assessment. Okay, so here's what I would be doing. So just a quick little thing. We're going to be doing this for lectures and some practical skills on the Smart Rider basic training. But as soon as you see this, he's laying on the ground. He's not getting up. So my first thing is that there's something wrong with his legs. Because typically people want to get up and walk around pissed off, all that stuff. But if they can't get up, there's something probably broken. There's something probably screwed up. The reason why they're not doing it.
A little bit.
You think you broke anything?
Maybe my leg.
Yeah.
Okay, so that right there, he's indicating that the one thing that's really causing him pain is probably the leg. But also it tells me that his airway is open. It tells me that he's aware of what's happening. It tells me that his heart is working. So right now we're doing fine. Now what I don't know is if there's any major bleeds, and that's part of this right here, stop any major bleeds. So if he's bleeding out in the pants, in his jacket, he might not know it because his brain might be kind of screwed up with a traumatic brain injury. All those things. I want to make sure he's not bleeding out. Okay, so he can easily go into shock if he does. But it does tell me that his airway, his breathing, and circulation is good. It does tell me he's aware of the situation, and it does tell me that I should probably look at his leg, if anything. So if there's enough force to break a leg inside our trauma kits, what we have is a set of trauma shears. You can go ahead and cut his pants, and we teach you that on motorcycle training concepts. But we also have bleeding control stuff. We have the rescue card inside every single one of these kits, and you also get, like I said, the rescue booklet. Tells you how to do everything inside it. But the main thing here is I'm going to check his leg, because if it was enough force to break it, they could have broke the skin, could have lacerated him a little bit. Wanted to go ahead and check it out.
Yeah.
You can see the boot right there, the tearing of the boot. So it did hit on the front of his feet, and it caused it to rip. So we could have broken bones, ankle, toes. I'm hoping it's just toes and foot, not leg itself.
We should call 911.
Yeah, no, definitely. No, just trust me.
So calling 911, especially if it's in the United States, what you can do is just refuse service. So if they show up, you can say, I don't want to go with you. At least they're on their way. Because if he starts to crash, as in having shocky symptoms, which is on the back of the card right here, shock symptoms, he needs to go to the hospital. And by then, if you call, it's too late.
What the?
Anything broke, you think?
Well, not even that. I mean, he might have a...
Yeah, we're good. All right, so we got motorcycles doing U-turns. So we got side of the motorcycle right now. Make a good U-turn. Do it. Get out of the way. But then we also have a side of the truck. We weren't paying attention to that. We are dripping oil everywhere. There's the blinker fluid. That's blinker fluid. So we're going through here. Everyone's doing U-turns. This should be giving you a little bit, cause for concern. But then as soon as you see this, we should not be looking at these riders. I know we're going to be over here riding ourselves and be like, hey, biker wave, hey, that's a cool looking bike. What's in front of us? Oh, crap. Got surprised. So that's what we need to be focused on, what's in front of us. We can't tell where the motorcyclist is looking because this is attached to the motorcycle itself. But we need to be looking forward. Pay attention what's in front of us, not to the sides. Okay, we're traveling this way. So applies right at this point, it's a red stage. There's nothing you can really do. You got to do something. You got to get yourself out of there. Progressively brake. Got to do something. Natural synthetic blinker fluid. The best ones come from tears because the blinker blinks. So digging for no good.
Was in such a rush that not only did he interrogate the biker, but also...
All right, presenting himself a little bit, pretty good. Watch out for line of sight issues, the left turners. Okay, red light, or they're stopping, they're slowing down. Watch out behind you. I think he's checking his mirrors because somebody's coming up behind him. Watch in front of you. Position yourself for safety. Very good. He positioned himself for safety. He was oh. Okay, we're going to do that. Interesting choice. Very smart rider. Situationally aware. Extremely situationally aware. And I'm going to go over just a little bit of... Yeah, exactly. You're thinking or it's on camera. I don't know what you're trying to say. Uh-oh. Don't get in front. And if you are, switch lanes so that the person can't just ram you off the road. Pretty good. I'm pretty excited about this one. I'm in a better mood on this one.
Speed up his...
So we're going to get over here.
Ready.
So he's, I don't know if that was a flipping somebody off. That was, hey, I just called you a smart rider, buddy. Why are you flipping people off? I think this is what started it. Let's go back just a little bit more. So we're at this point.
The driver at the back was in such a rush that not...
I think he wasn't presenting. All right, you're making me look like an idiot. He's not presenting. He's actually antagonizing the person behind him, which is going to be that driver that did what he did.
Only did he...
Okay, so we're escalating it now.
Also to speed up...
And he did that, and he's going to flip him off because he thinks it's cool to do so. So now he pissed off the car driver. I'm thinking he's situationally aware for looking in his mirrors, but the only time he's looking in his mirrors is to double check with the guy behind him. Come on! I'm concerned about what's in front of us. I see these red lights. I'm worried about that. I want to position myself for safety. I'm already thinking I want to be over here or I want to be over here. I'd rather be over here because I don't want to deal with this person or this person. I want to see around this person. And if I had to, I could swerve this way or I can go straight. So I'm already thinking of planning my ride that doesn't involve a stupid dumb driver because I didn't antagonize anybody. So he's looking left and this person decided to come out. Okay, fine. Let them be in front. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to kind of get behind him, wanted to follow him along. Nope, this person just wanted to get in front. Okay. So he's going to go ahead and do that. Jumps the curb. Very good. Break some rims. Have some fun. So he's saying good job. Now this person looks like an idiot. He got it on camera. Good for him. Whatever that means. And now this person's going to slow down and stop. So imagine if this person slammed the brakes and we're going highway speeds. Boom, we hit that person. All right? So let's go ahead and see what happens when we get closer. So we're going to go ahead and just get closer and kind of antagonize some of this situation. And this guy could easily just swerve and hit you. All right, but let's go ahead and get in front. And now this person can easily slam into us from behind because we're not protected. So what I would be doing, if I was this person, I'm not going to do it so I don't even have to worry about this, is I would get into that lane and continue that way. This way, we got lines of cars at some point. you know, protecting us from a dumb acting dumber, dumb.